problem. So unit 2 time exercise 2.1. Listen. First A, convert into minutes. Convert into minutes. The question is, the given question is 4 hours. So 4 hours, how many minutes? So answer, listen, we all know 1 hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 2 hours is equal to 60 plus 60, that is 120 minutes. And the given question is 4 hours, how many minutes? We have to convert this 4 hours into minutes. So 4 hours is equal to 4 into 60 minutes. So you multiply. So what is 4 into 6? 4 6 are you multiply. 6 4s are 24. So pinadi irukku 0 அப்படியே இருக்கு. So 240 minutes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes means 4 hours is equal to 240 minutes. Okay. See the second question. 2 hours 5 minutes. 2 hours, sorry, 50 minutes. 2 hours 50 minutes. Listen. So answer, convert this hours into minutes first. So we all know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So what is 2 hours? So 2 hours is equal to 2 into 60 minutes. So what is 2 into 60? That is 120. So 120 minutes. Okay, we convert this 2 hours into minutes, that is 120 minutes, plus you add the given time, given 15 minutes. So plus 15 minutes, that is equal to 170 minutes. So therefore we convert 2 hours 50 minutes equal to 170 minutes. Okay, let us see the B question. Convert into hours. So அது போன சம்ல hours கொடுத்து minute கண்டுபிடிக்க சொன்னாங்க. இப்ப minutes கொடுத்து hours. So for that we are going to divide. Okay. So first answer, the given question is 100 minutes means how many hours? So convert into hours and minutes. For that we are going to divide the given minutes. 100 divided by 60. Okay, because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, you divide 100. If you divide it by 60, 1 time 60. So subtract 40. 100 less 60 is 100 minus 60 is 40. Therefore this is hour. 1 hour. Remainder is minutes. So 1 hour 40 minutes is your answer. So 1 hour 40 minutes. So we convert 100 minutes into hours and minutes. That is 1 hour 40 minutes. See the B question. 110 minutes. 110 minutes. So convert this 110 minutes into hours and minutes. For that we are going to divide 610 divided by 60. So 610 divided by 60. First consider first two digits 61. 1 time 60. So 61 minus 60 is 1. You bring down 0. Now it is 10. So this is the remainder. So 1 hour, this is hour. Remainder is minute. So the answer is 1 hour 10 minutes. 1 hour 10 minutes. We convert 610 minutes into hours and minutes. That is 1 hour 10 minutes is the answer. Next we see some convert into seconds. Convert into seconds. The given question A, 4 minutes. We have to convert this 4 minutes into seconds. So answer. So we all know 1 minute. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds means what is 4 minutes? That is equal to 4 into 60 seconds. So 6 4s are 24. So you add 0 at the last. So 240 seconds. See the B question. 5 minutes, 5 seconds. 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Convert this 5 minutes into seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 5 minutes is equal to 5 into 60. 5 into 60 seconds. So 5 6 are 6 5s are 30. So you add at last 0 appear so 300 seconds. So 5 minutes is equal to 300 seconds. Now plus you add the given 5 seconds plus 5 seconds. That is equal to 300 plus 5 is 305 seconds. This is your answer. So we have converted 5 minutes 5 seconds into seconds. That is 305 seconds. Next question D. Convert into minutes and seconds. Convert into minutes and seconds. So 420 seconds. To convert seconds into minutes, we have to divide. So answer 420 divided by 60. That is equal to 420 divided by 60. So you all know. So 60 table, 1 60s are 60, 2 60s are 120, then 180, then 240, 300, 360, then 420. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times 60, 7s are 420. You multiply 60 into 7. 7 into 0, 0. 6 sevens are 42. So 60 sevens are 420. 420 minus 420, you will get 0 as the remainder. Therefore, so 7 seconds is the answer. Sorry, 7 minutes is the answer. Okay. So the given question 420 seconds minutes are convert பண்ணனும். So 420 divided by 60. So if you divide 420 divided by 60 means 67s are 420. Therefore, there is no remainder. So seconds with the 0. Answer is 7 minutes is your answer. Convert into minutes, no? So answer 7 minutes. See the B question. 1240 seconds. 1240 seconds. So we have to convert the seconds into minutes and seconds. So you divide 1240 divided by 60. 1240 divided by 60. Okay. So 2 times. You consider first 3 digits. So 2 60s are 120. So 124 minus 120, you will get 4. 124 minus 120 is, you will get 4. You bring down 0. Now it is 40. Therefore, 2 minutes. We have to convert minutes and seconds now. So the quotient was the minute, remainder was the seconds. So 2 minutes 40 seconds is your answer. 2 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, children. Next we see addition of time. So add the following. First question 3 hours 45 minutes. 3 hours 45 minutes and 6 hours 35 minutes. So listen solution. You write hours and minutes. Okay, on top you write hours and minutes. மேல எழுதிட்டு then you write the numbers. 3 hours 45 minutes and 6 hours 35 minutes. Okay. Now listen. What is the first step is you add the minutes first. Okay. So you add here. So 45 plus 35. So what is 45 plus 35? 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0. Elidite 1 carry over. Okay. You write 0 here. 1 carry over. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 18 minutes. So now 18 minutes, this is ordinary addition. So after that, in time addition is different. So 18 minutes can be written as 60 minutes split பண்ணி எழுதணும். 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. Okay, so 60 minutes plus 20 minutes, that is equal to, so we all know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes பதிலா என்ன எழுதுறோம் 1 hour plus 20 minutes. So இதுக்காக தான் நம்ம ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்றது. Okay, so 60 ஆ 60 plus 20 minutes எதுக்கு ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்றோம்? 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Now what you have to do is you write 20 minutes in the minutes column. So இந்த 20 minutes எடுத்து இங்க எழுதுற 20. Okay, so 20 எடுத்து இங்க எழுதுற this 160 minutes எழுதுறத பதிலா என்ன எழுதணும் 1 hour. So 1 is carry over to the hours column. Now you add 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 6 is 10. So your answer is 10 hours 20 minutes. Once again I repeat. So for what is the first step is you have to add the minutes column. So you add 45 plus 35, that is 80 minutes. 80 minutes can be split like this, 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. Instead of 60 minutes you write 1 hour, because 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So instead of 60 minutes you write 1 hour plus 20 minutes. Now you have to write this 20 minutes in the minutes column. So minutes column la 20 minutes எழுதிட்டு this 1 hour, this 1 is carry over to the hours column. Okay, now you add the hours column, you will get 10. So that last we get the answer is 10 hours 20 minutes. See the second question. 23 hours 45 minutes and 7 hours 35 minutes. So you write hours and minutes in the top. Hours minutes மேல எழுதிட்டு then you write 23 hours 45 minutes. There 7 hours 35 minutes. So what is the same? What is the step? You add the minutes first. Okay, minutes first add பண்ணுங்க. So 45 35. So what is the answer? That is 80. So 80 minutes. So 80 minutes can be written as, can be split like this. So 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. அதே மாதிரி தான். So 20 minutes எடுத்து minutes காலத்துல எழுதுற 20 minutes. Then instead of writing 60 minutes you have to write 1 hour. So 1 is carry over here. So 60 minutes பதிலா 1 hour எழுதி அந்த 1 hour carry over to the hours column. Now you add 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 7 is 11. So 1 எழுதிட்டு 1 carry over. 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore 31 hours 20 minutes is your answer. 31 hours 20 minutes is your answer. Let us see the subtraction sum. Next we see subtraction of time. 12 minutes 45 seconds from 20 minutes 5 seconds. We have to subtract 12 minutes 45 seconds from 20 minutes 5 seconds. So listen, you write the minutes and seconds in the top. So minutes, seconds. So which one you have write from 20 minutes 5 seconds, then you have to subtract 12 minutes 45 seconds. So you write 20 minutes 5 seconds minus 12 minutes 45 seconds. Now listen, this is not ordinary subtraction. In time subtraction we have to borrow. Listen, we have to borrow from here. 1 minute, minute la irundhu vaangrom. So 20 minutes la irundhu 1 vaangrom. So 20 will become 19. Okay, 20 will become 19 minutes. So we all know 1 minute, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 minute inga vaangumbodhu seconds la varumbodhu seconds ana varum. So 60 seconds. So 60 seconds nama vaangitom. So 1 minute வாங்கும்போது செகண்ட்ஸ்ல எழுதும்போது 60 செகண்ட்ஸ் ஆயிடும். So already 5 இருக்கு. 5 கூட 60 ஆட் பண்றோம் first. So 60 plus 5 is 65. So you write, strike out 5 and write 65. Now you subtract 65 minus 45. Once again I repeat. So we can also in time subtraction la 5 minus 45 வந்து subtract பண்ண முடியாது. So we have to borrow from minute. So 20 minutes இருந்து 1 minute நம்ம வாங்கும்போது 20 will become 90. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So you should write 60 plus already 5 seconds இருக்கு. So 60 plus 5 is 65 seconds. So you strike out 5 and write 65. Now you subtract 65 minus 45. 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now here 9 minus 2 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. Therefore your answer is 7 minutes 20 seconds. 7 minutes 20 seconds. So minutes is 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 60 seconds தான் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிறோம். 1 minute நீங்க எழுதக்கூடாது. So 1 minute பதிலா 60 seconds. Already 5 seconds இருக்கு. So 60 plus 5 is 65. From this 65 you have to subtract 45. See the second sum. 4 hours 35 minutes from 7 hours 20 minutes. We have to subtract 4 hours 35 minutes from 7 hours 20 minutes. So you write the units down. Hours, minute, 7 hours 20 minutes minus 4 hours 35 minutes. Now see here, we cannot subtract 20 minus 35. What we have to do? We have to borrow from hours. So 7 hours வந்து 1 hour கடன் வாங்குறோம். So 7 will become 6. Okay? So 7 hours will become 6 hours. So you know 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So minutes எழுதும்போது 60 தான் எழுதுவீங்க. 1 hour நீங்க எழுத கூடாது. என்ன எழுதணும்? 60 minutes. So you already 20 minutes you add. So 60 plus 20 is 80. So in the 80 I will strike out 20 and write 80 minutes. So 80 ல இருந்து 35 subtract பண்ணணும். So this 8 will become 7. This 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. You subtract there. 4 minus 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Therefore 2 hours 45 minutes. 2 hours 45 minutes is your answer. Once again I repeat. 4 hours 35 minutes. We have to subtract 4 hours 35 minutes from 7 hours 20 minutes. You write hours and minutes in the top. Then you write 7 hours 20 minutes minus 4 hours 35 minutes. Here we cannot subtract 20 minus 35. What we have to do? We have to borrow. So 7 will become 6. 7 hours will become 6 hours. So this we are going to borrow. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. No. So 1 hour போல 60 minutes இங்க எடுத்துக்கணும். So 60 minutes already 20 minutes இருக்கு. 60 plus 20 is 80. So 80 minutes இருந்து 35 minutes subtract பண்றோம். We will get 45 minutes. Okay. Now our 6 minus 4 is 2 hours. So 2 hours 45 minutes is your answer. Okay children. Thank you.